in this, whenever you go into your contacts record, if you come in here and you do a lookup of some sort, and I shouldn't have any, let me just do Garfield. Okay, so if I had multiple records here that, as I'm doing the lookup piece, if I had multiple James Garfields in some various form or fashion, to be able to merge from this screen right now, in order to do merging of records, you're on your main screen here, you would do select multiple. So you've got records with, you can now select multiple records here. If I had multiple James Garfields, which I don't want to do these two, but in this case, I've got two contacts that are selected. If they're two selected and I come back under the hamburger menu here, there is this merge contacts piece here. And you click on that and it will go through and it will start looking at what things are similar and what things are different. And based off of what's different, then being able to send information from one record to another. So basically, being able to come in here and do the same type of thing from here, but be able to select multiple records. I really, honestly, would prefer that with our AI agents would just go in there, find all the duplicates for you, and then recommend, hey, these are the people we think you should merge. Do you want to, and what do you want to merge? With you, Jose, having 27,000 records in your database, that's a tough, tough number to go through. So letting AI figure out that information for you, I think, would be a better path. And then instead of having it on this screen, on either one of these screens, we would have a recommended merge screen, and you could just kind of go through them one by one by one